Hey guys, this is Lawai, you're watching Roots and Rhymes, and today I'm showing you the only fishing knots you'll ever need, period. Let's get into it. So these 4 knots will teach you how to tie on your fishing hook, tie on a swivel to stop your line from twisting, keep your lure moving freely in the water, and connect your braided line to a leader without any bulky knots. Start by doubling your line to form a loop. Pass that loop through your hook eye, then bring it back around. Tie an overhand knot just like this. Now take the loop at the end and slip it over your hook. Pull the standing line tight. It'll zip lock down super solid. I'm using paracord here just for clarity. Real fishing line will cinch up much tighter. Pass your line through the swivel eye, then wrap it around itself 5 to 7 times. Take the tag end and pass it through the first loop by the swivel. Then back up through the loop you just created. Pull it tight, it'll lock clean and strong. Trim any excess and you're good to go. Start with an overhand knot a few inches up your line. Pass the tag end through your lure's eye, then back through that overhand knot from behind. Now, wrap the tag end around your main line 3 times above the overhand knot. Take the tag end back down and through the overhand knot. You'll see 2 strands on top and that X shape underneath. Then back through that small loop you just made. Pull it tight, and you've got yourself a perfect loop that lets your lure move freely. In this example, I'm using paracord for the braid and a metal rod to represent the leader. Start by doubling your braid line to form a loop at the top. Wrap it around your pinky, not too tight. And use your index and thumb to form a triangle shape. Now, bring your leader under the braid, then go up and over towards the ceiling, wrapping it down and around the braid. Bring it back to the starting position and repeat, alternating sides each time, up and around the right, up and around the left, about 18 to 20 wraps total. Once the wraps are done, tie 3 half hitches around both the braid and the leader together. After the first half hitch, pull tight to lock the braid into the leader. Next, trim the excess leader flush, and then finish with 3 more half hitches on the braid alone. That's your FG knot. Slim, strong, and perfect for connecting braid to leader. So there you have it, 4 knots, all you'll ever need for fishing. Tie hooks, stop twists, keep your lures in action, and connect braid to leaders cleanly. If you learned anything, drop a like, hit that subscribe button. I also wanted to take some time to say thank you to my subscribers for your support. I really appreciate you guys. New video every Sunday. Stay tuned, this is just the beginning. And last but not least, I'll see you in the woods.